What if your body is quietly losing strength every day after 60? And the real reason isn't age, but the way you move. Most people think exercise after 60 means heavy workouts, but the truth might surprise you. Let's uncover simple, safe, and smart exercise ideas designed specially for seniors over 60. Because the last tip in this video might change the way you think about daily movement forever. After 60, many seniors start noticing slower movement, stiff joints, and tired mornings. You might feel like your body isn't listening anymore. But what if there are simple ways to bring back flexibility, balance, and comfort? Let's start small. We'll move from gentle stretches to chair yoga, to balance exercises, and even light dumbbell moves anyone can do at home. Balance exercises for seniors. As we age, balance becomes more important than strength. Simple daily balance training can help you stay steady while walking, climbing stairs, or getting out of bed. Try this. Stand beside a wall or counter for support. Lift one leg slightly off the floor. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch legs. Next, walk in a straight line, heel to toe, across the room. These balance exercises for seniors don't just keep you active, they bring awareness to your body. If you practice them daily, even for a few minutes, your confidence in movement grows naturally. But what about light strength training? Let's talk about simple dumbbell exercises next. Simple dumbbell exercises for seniors. No heavy weights, just a pair of light dumbbells, or even 2 water bottles. These gentle moves can help keep your muscles active. Sit or stand upright. Hold the dumbbells beside your thighs. Slowly lift them toward your shoulders, then lower down. Next, try lifting them sideways, shoulder height, then bring them down. Repeat 8 to 10 times, seated movements and daily motion. If standing exercises feel tough, seated movement is your friend. Ankle circles while watching TV, hand stretches while reading, shoulder rolls before bed can make a big difference in keeping joints flexible. Chair yoga for seniors. Sit straight, feet flat on the ground. Take deep, slow breaths. Gently roll your shoulders back. Raise both arms above your head and stretch toward the ceiling. Slowly turn your neck side to side. Repeat for 5 minutes every morning.